Flange Wizard. Welder's choice for quality since 1981. All Flange Wizard tools are made in the USA. In addition to the popular family of magnetic centering heads, we now have 2 digital magnetic centering heads. It's got the same strong magnetic leg, so it fits snugly on the circumference of the pipe that you're working on. The digital meter has an accuracy of plus or minus 0.2 of a degree. The tool, it comes included with 2 AAA batteries and also this nice compact case for you to keep it secure when not in use. We have a medium digital centering head that will handle from 3-inch pipe and larger, and then we've just come out with the new large digital centering head for 12-inch and larger pipe.
Hello there from the Wizard Shop. Today I'm going to explain the difference between our 2 digital centering heads, which isn't very much. A lot of you might be familiar with the 53077D, which is our medium centering head, digital, and our 53087D now, which is our large. They both do the exact same thing, plus or minus 0.2 of 1 degree. That's how accurate these things are. They both come in the same nice case. The biggest difference is, you can see this one, how it goes from 3-inch, and we recommend it up to 24, because after 24 inches, the only problem you have is when you use it on bigger pipe, because of its weight, you might have to assist it when you go to hit it. Therefore, we came out with the large now, the 53087D, and the reason being now, this sucker here, same features, but on bigger pipe, there is no, it's all hands-free. This sucker, as you can see, the magnets are fully taking hold on larger pipe. We recommend it from 12 inches on up. And when I say on up, it's because this sucker, I don't care how big that pipe is, as you can see, I can stick it on this flat flange here, and that sucker sticks.